Welcome back. It is Law Week here on Wake Up Today, and this morning we're asking a lawyer about immigration law. Joining us now is Stella Shimamoto, associate at Hirota & Associates. Aloha and good morning, Stella. Thank you so much for stopping by with us.
Good morning.
So a lot of recent federal policy changes in regards to immigration. What should folks know about traveling internationally?
So this has been a super common question, and understandably there's been a lot of anxiety and fear in the immigrant community, but I would say at this time, traveling outside the United States is at your own risk. So I would say that green card holders are generally lower risk, but if they have anything more serious than a traffic ticket in their history, they should seek legal advice before traveling.
Yeah, that's a good piece of advice right there. As far as just the immigrant community here in Hawaii, what else do folks need to know?
You know, one other thing that I'd really like to tell the immigrant community is please curate your social media consumption. So one thing that I've been telling people is Facebook is not facts. Okay, like the things that are on Facebook are designed to frighten you and give you a lot of anxiety, so stop clicking on them. The more you click, the more it's going to feed you that content, and you know, you should check reputable news sources or media in order to get your facts and not just clicking on Facebook randomly.
Yeah, that's one thing we do is try not to like curate fear, right? It's to give people the facts. That's always important. And then what resources are available to immigrants if they do need legal help?
You know, one thing that I wanted to make sure I told the immigrant community about was the Hawaii chapter of the American Immigration Lawyers Association has a deportation hotline. So what this is a phone number that if your loved one is detained by ICE, you can call this number. We'd ask that you call between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. You can also text this number, and we'd ask that you have the name of the detained person ready. This hotline is only for those who have been detained. It is not just for those who are in removal proceedings.
Yeah, there's been a lot of reports out there of people who, you know, they don't know what happened to their loved ones. So that's always important, right? To just at least get the information on what's going on. So that number again, 808-204-5951. You can see that right there on your screen. We'll also have that on our website on khon2.com. All right, Stella, anything else you'd like to add?
No. One last thing is, for the immigrant community, I know that things are very scary, but please know that there are still people out there who are fighting for you. So, you know, we do care about you, and, you know, there are people who support you.
Yeah, very important for those folks to be informed about their rights and what legally they have available. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.